Hello student, welcome back to maths class. We learn here decimal numbers. Now we learn here conversion of fraction to decimal. Conversion of fraction to decimal. How to do the conversion fraction to decimal? Fraction number convert there into the decimal. See, given number u, okay, 3281 divided by 10. How to write this one? Decimal number. See, first you see the denominator number. Denominator number is a 10. How many zeros are there? Count only 1. Then after one number give to the decimal point. Put the decimal point as such as the decimal place equal to the number of 0. Equal to the number of 0. Means decimal place give to the equal number of zeros. Next one also, see, 3281 divided by 100. That time you got their number 32.81. Next one, because of here 2 zeros, so count their last two numbers and give the decimal point. 3281 divided by 1000 is equal to point. Count there 30, count their last three numbers, give the point and write. Okay, all of you understand how to do? Understand na? So easy this one. Write each, page number 77, write each fraction as a decimal. Write each fraction as a decimal. See here, 23,468 divided by 1000. Write there 8, 6, 4, decimal point, remaining number write there 23.468. How many? 3252 divided by 100. How many 0? 1, 2. 1, 2 means 32.52. 1756 divided by 10. Only 1 0. 175.6. 8314 divided by 100. 2 zeros. 83.14. 973 divided by 10. 97.3. 8463. 846.3. 85 by 1000. 3 numbers we want. Here 85 only. What you write? 0.085. All of you understand? All of you understand na? Take first 0 and then write the numbers. Write the number left side. Okay? 8.10, 0.8, 76.100, 0.76, 36 by 100, 0.36, 8 by 100, 0.20. So first write 0 and then write left side 8. Okay, all of you understand? 76, 0.076, 0.7, 0.008, 0.09. All of you understand how to write? Okay, all of you understand na? Now next one is a equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimals means what? First show here, see here 8 by 10. Okay, write there equivalent decimals, equivalent fraction you want there. Okay, that time you want here denominator by 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, that type. Okay, 8 you want here denominator is 100 and here is 1000. That time what you do, first see when come the 100, 10 multiply by 10, that time you numerator number also same multiply there, 80 by 100, and then 1000 you want, 8 by 10 1000 you want, that time 10 multiply by 100, so 8 multiply by 100 is equal to 800 by 1000 by 1000. All of you understand? And this one write in decimal number, this one write in decimal number. First one write 8 by 10 0.8, this one 0.80 and this one 0.800. All of you understand? Understand, na? Now next one also we use their same. Okay, see given you number 71.2, that time next one number what you write, 71.20, then 71.200, then 71.2000. This type you write. You increase there 110, in adding their zeros after last decimal digit number. Do not change the value, only add there plus 110. Okay, all of you understand? Now open your textbook, page number 77. Write the equivalent decimals, add zeros. One example has been done. See here, 13.2 is equal to 13.20, increase there 10. 13.200, increase there, second one's 10 add there. 13.2000, add there 10. Next one 465.30, 465.300, 465.3000, 7.5, 7.50, 7.500, 7.5000. Okay, see D1 is there, 80.1, 80.10, 80.100, then 80.1000, 200.4, 200.40, 200.400, 200.4000. Next one, F, G, H is your homework. Okay. Next one, conversion of decimal to fraction. Conversion of decimal to fraction. Okay. See how to do conversion of decimal to fraction. See here 0.3, that time you write only one number after, so write there after point only one number, write there 1 zeros number 10 and write there this one number numerator place. Next one 0.03. Two numbers are there, so write there 3, write as it is, 2 zeros because of after decimal point 2 zeros are, 2 numbers are there, so give there 2 zeros. Now see 0.14, 14 divided by 100. Why write there by 100? There after point 2 numbers are there. Then next 314, 314 divided by 1000. After point how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. You want there 3 zeros number. All of you understand how to do? Okay. All of you understand now? Now open your textbook, page number 78. Put the correct sign in the box if the fraction and decimal are equal, and put is not correct sign in they are not equal. They are not equal. 0.4. 0.4 means 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is given you. Is equal to, both are same. 0.7 means what is a fraction there? 7 by 10. Both are same. So write there is equal to 0.71. 0.71 means 71 by 2 numbers are there, 100. But here given you 10 by 10. So this is a not equal to. 0.68 means 68 by 100. So this one is equal to. 0.300 means 300 divided by 1000. 300 by 1000. But here given you 310. So this one is a not equal to. 0.581 means in the fraction 581, 581 by 1000. So both are equal. 0.91, 91 by 100 is equal to. 0.03, 3 by 100 is equal to. 0.141, 141 by 1000 because of their after point 3 numbers. So this is a not equal to. All of you understand how to do? Next one. Write each decimal as a fraction. 0.51. 0.51 means 51 by 100. 51 by 100. 324 by 1000. 0.324. 9 by 10 because of after point 9 only one number is there. So write there 9 by 10. 0.12. 12 by 100. 0.49. 49 by 100. 0.517. 517 by 1000. 0.30. 30.100 because of after point 2 numbers. 9 by 100. 0.9. 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 1000. 12 by 1000. 19 by 19. 2 zeros are 2 numbers there. So write there 100. 1919.19. They write in the fraction 1919 by 100 because of after point 2 numbers. 717 by 100 because of after point 2 numbers, and you write in numerator number, all numbers are right there. 8008 by 100 because of here after point 2 numbers, and numerator write same, you write this one all together number. Okay, M and O is your homework. Put correct tick in the box of decimal is equal to the fraction and put cross they are not equal. Okay. See here 8.04 means 804 by 100 is correct. 8005 8.005, but they write 8005 by 100. This is a cross. Next one 3.004. This is a cross because of you want here 3004 number. Okay. Next one 14.01. After point 2, this one is a correct because of whole number right after point 2 number, so write there 100. Next one 39.004. 39.004. You write here 39,004, but here you write 3,904. So this is a wrong. 4.036. So you want there 4036. And there after point 3 numbers, there is right 1000. So this one is a correct. 19.73. 1973 by 100. This one is a correct. 64.089 means 64,089 by 1000. 8.143. 8,143 by, you want here 1000. This is a wrong. H and I is your homework. H and I is your now homework. Now match the decimal numbers with the fraction. 0.84, 84 by 100. 0.3, 3 by 10. 0.2, 2 by 10. 0.15, 15 by 100. 0.092 means 92 by. First answer what? Second one. Second answer what? First one. C's answer what? Fifth one. D's answer what? Third one. And E's answer what? Fourth one. Understand? Today's homework, page number 77, 78 and 79 completed. Okay? Thank you.